Hey guys, it's Ivy, and welcome to the Coupon Camp, and welcome to the second volume of Let's Make Money. Yes, that's us. And today you saw the thumbnail, and yes it is. It's about where to sell my coupon and stockpile, even if I'm not on social media. And that question came from Amanda McPherson. Amanda, I'm hoping I'm saying your name correctly, okay? Well, I'm here to answer that question, Amanda, because I was just like you. I started selling my coupon and bundles and stockpiles before I started selling them on social media. I just did not have the courage at that time to sell on social media. So, the first thing I'm going to tell you is, one, guys, understand, it is not illegal to sell your coupon and stockpile. That is yours. You bought it. You have the rights to it. You own it. You can sell it however and where to whoever, and sometimes where you want to sell at. But Amanda, I have stockpiled, and to anyone else that needs to know where to stockpile, where to sell their coupon and stockpile out, 10 places to sell before you even hit social media. So come on, let's go. Okay. The first one is word of mouth. Tell the person you know that gossip. Tell the person you know that gossip. That's who it is that's going to tell people. I told a friend that I knew, we'd never told her secrets. She was the one who told everybody that I was selling coupon and stockpiles. So I did get a lot of followings, people from her. And also make sure you reward those people. I also gave her household products free, okay? Because that's a good source of getting someone to sell from you. Now I'm looking down, guys, because I got my notes here. The second one is senior citizen homes. The senior citizens can't get out because of all the things that's going on in the world right now. So what better way than to get them the things they need is to sell them household bundles. Now, don't go too high because they all are on a fixed income. So make small bundles. Let it appeal to them. You know, don't give them something too harsh. Make sure it's a complete bundle so they don't have to leave out of the house. But when you go in a senior citizen building, there is an office always there. Before you hit the senior building, you're going to stop at that office. 90% of the senior homes where I live, that's how they are. Now, you let them know what you do. Even have the products on hand. Make sure you got a flyer made out. Make it out on your computer. Print it out. Make sure your phone number's on every one of them. Written really big so they can see it and your name. Go ahead on. Ask them, could you leave it there? Usually they say yes. Or you might run into some seniors sitting outside if it's not 0 below or 10 below like it is here. I just came in, guys. That's why I still got a hat on. Then you could always give them your flyer right there. They'll love to buy things from you than to go to a store. Now, try to make sure that they have cash, because a lot of them are very leery about giving credit cards, and half of them don't have cash apps and Zelles and stuff. So just be careful about that. The third place is the YMCA. That is the bachelor pad heaven for men and some single women now. You can go on the YMCA. I sold there tons of times, and guess what I made up? Nice bundle names, bachelor bundles. I did just like I did with the seniors. I didn't let it go over too high. I made sure it was 25 and under. I even sold generic products to them. So that's another place that's actually a great place to sell at, because most bachelors don't want to go to the store and buy detergent and body wash. You can do a very good job there. Stay tuned, guys, for bonuses, okay? Number 4, you also can go to apartment complexes. Now, I know when you say apartment complex, yes, in any apartment complex, it's a flyer on a wall where you can stick stuff to. Make sure you go there, because if you go there, then ask them, could you put things on it? pop the things up on there, and you're fine. You'll do just great. Trust me, they'll call you. It's lots of parents who, because they got kids, they working, doing all type of things, they don't want to be dragged to the store. So what better way than to get the products to them than you bring it to them? And they do have cash apps and Zelles and PayPal and things like that that you can use. So that would be great to go to. Okay. Oh, hey guys, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe, guys, so you won't miss any of the couponing and you won't miss any of the money volumes that I'll be coming out with, because this series is going to be great. We are just getting started. Okay, the next thing you could sell, train stations. Now, I have metro stations by me where people park their cars, go get on the train and go to work. That is a perfect place to advertise that. Drop your flyers. You can paste them to cars. I actually found one about a week ago stuck to my car. I'm like, oh, people still do flyers. Thank God. So drop them there. Drop them there, because if you do not, somebody else will. That's how I discovered that people sold like hair bundles, like the gift sets and stuff. Someone left a flyer on my car. So a bundle, coupon and bundle, Stockpile bundle, whatever you want to name it. There, I would suggest that you put a little list on that one. If you can, just copy off your list of things that you are selling, okay, and put it on there. They'll call you, hey, can I get 5 of these, 4 of those, 3 of those? That's fine. That's a perfect way to sell, okay? The next one is, oh my God, guys, the perfect place, hair salons. If you can sell at a hair salon, do you know how many, first of all, the beauticians and all of that that's in there, they do not have time to go to the store. 90% of the beauticians I know, they don't have time to go. They just don't. They work day and night. Especially if it's their own shop, they are in there day and night. They would love to buy household bundles. Now, that's a place where they're going to have cash on hand, cash apps, Zelles, PayPals. They're going to have all of that, okay? Not only will you could do a double duty sale too, because the people that they're servicing, they'll buy from you also. Trust me, I've done it several times. The people come in there selling all kind of oils and creams, and I buy them too. So that's a perfect place. The next place, barbershops, nail salons. Don't forget those places. Barbershops, another bachelor heaven. Those men are in there. They don't care if you are what you're selling. They're going to buy it. They don't want to go to the store. They just don't, guys. We have to pay attention that a lot of people just cannot get to the stores. They don't have time to get to the stores. And most barbers are just like the hair salons. They are super, super busy. And they are another group of people that, hey, if they can get away with buying it from somewhere else or through someone else, that's where they're gonna buy it from, okay? Now, the next place that's getting ready to come back alive, hopefully, are the daycare centers. Yes, the daycare centers. Now, that's a good place where you can sell Pampers too. You can sell wipes, and then any type of bacterial cleansing spray, wipes, bleach. They're going to need all of that, all of it. So, like I said, go in and ask for the owner, manager, whoever's there. Ask them, could you leave a flyer? Let them know what you're doing. Usually they don't have time to go out and shop because they're watching all the babies for the people that work. So, yes, that's a great place to go and do your shopping and drop off your flyers. A great advertisement. You don't have to worry too far away. Now, the next one I'm going to give you guys is a place where I sold to and also taught couponing classes at my church. Whatever affiliation you're with, hey, they got an office. Go in there, give them those flyers. Now you in double duty heaven, because you got seniors in there, you have hair, beauty services, barbers, you got teachers, you got doctors. Everyone is at the church. that is a nice place to sell. Especially, you know, people are not going out and just don't trust the outside as much. So you have to learn to utilize those plants. Okay, the next place, I don't want to make this video too long, guys. This place right here, I know it because I bought some stuff from there. Off the board. Health Club. Yes, go to the Health Club. Make sure you advertise at the Health Club. And there, you could pretty much advertise antibacterial wipes, spray, household. I mean, they are going to, you could tell them, I got wipes for you to wipe off your machines with. You just have to sell yourself. You don't need social media. And that's a good question. You don't need social media. Sometimes we have to go back to what we knew before social media. So that's another place. Now, my last and final place, don't forget, guys, stay for the bonus. Sell at work. And the reason why that's my last and final place is because sometimes we have to be careful with selling at work. Because 1, we know we got haters. 2, make sure that you can sell at work. 3, they really call it soliciting. So if you can kind of be quiet about it, hey, let them know, hey, I got bundles, blah, blah, blah. And then you might get a few people. I had a few people that I sold to at my job. Eventually, I phased it out and stopped selling to them, period. And I just didn't feel comfortable. That's why I stopped selling to them, okay? But if you have a job where you're pretty close-knit, they probably will help you out, okay? They will. Guys, let's get to the bottom. Make sure you always be able to package their product to them. It won't be falling all out everywhere. Hey, you don't have to wrap it in plastic because that's not what a household bundle is. You want to put it in bags or boxes that they could conveniently pick it out of your car and go right along with it, okay? When you get special items, that email list or that number list or that text list that you created, blast it out to them. Trust me, I do it all the time. And you will get more repeat customers and sales. Well, guys, that wraps it up for Let's Make Money. I hope you all enjoyed this series. And Amanda, this was for you. Bye, girl.